Welcome to Best Choice. The best GoPro Hero 7 is probably one of the most versatile action cameras on the market, renowned for its exceptional video quality, robust build, and user-friendly interface, making it an ideal companion for adventurers, athletes, and content creators looking to capture their experiences in stunning detail, whether you're scaling mountains, hitting the waves, or simply documenting your daily life. Number 5. FiTSTILL Screen Protector for GoPro Hero Series. Introducing the FiTSTILL Screen Protector, designed to safeguard your GoPro Hero camera. This accessory offers comprehensive protection for your valuable device. Engineered for a perfect fit, it's compatible with GoPro Hero 7 Black, Hero HD, 2018, Hero 6 Black, and Hero 5 Black. Please note, it is not designed for the Hero 7 White or Silver models. With a 9H hardness rating, it effectively shields your camera's screen from accidental drops, scratches, and impacts. Keep your lens and screen safe from everyday wear and tear. Enjoy an ultra-clear, high-definition viewing experience without compromising touch sensitivity. The oleophobic coating resists fingerprints and smudges, keeping your screen pristine. This comprehensive package includes screen protectors, lens caps, and cleaning supplies. Everything you need to keep your camera protected and looking its best. What we like. This kit offers comprehensive protection for your camera's screen and lens. It features high transparency for clear viewing and 9H hardness to guard against scratches and impacts. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to keep your GoPro Hero 7, 5, or 6 protected from everyday wear and tear, this is a great choice. What people say. The video quality is amazing, with vibrant colors and sharp details. The stabilization is incredibly smooth, even when I'm running or biking. It's very easy to use, with a simple interface and intuitive controls. Number 4. TELESIN Aluminum Case for GoPro Hero 13 12 11 10 9. Introducing the TELESIN Aluminum Case, designed to safeguard your GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9. It offers robust protection against everyday damage and overheating. This lightweight case, weighing only 65 g, is easy to install and won't block GPS or Wi-Fi signals. Its hollow-carved design ensures optimal performance. A key upgrade is its compatibility with cameras fitted with ND-CPL lens filters or the Max Lens mod, not just the naked camera. Equipped with a cold shoe mount and a 1/4-inch screw hole, it's perfect for attaching tripods, video lights, or microphones. The sides feature a hollow design for quick access, charging ports and SD card replacement. Mounted on bicycles, helmets, and more. Your purchase includes the aluminum frame case and a metal wrench. We also offer 90 days of free returns and dedicated customer support. What we like. This upgraded aluminum case is built for durability and versatility. It's designed to accommodate your camera even with a Max Lens mod attached and offers multiple mounting options for accessories like lights and microphones. If you're a serious vlogger or filmmaker who needs to expand your GoPro's capabilities with external gear, this case is ideal. What people say. The GoPro Hero 7 Black has a great front-facing screen for vlogging. Hyper-smooth stabilization on the Hero 7 Black is incredibly smooth, making footage look professional even when moving. The Hero 7 Black is waterproof without needing an extra case, which is very convenient for action shots. Number 3. GoPro Hero 5 6 7 Replacement Lens Cover. Is your GoPro Hero 5, 6, or 7 camera's lens cover damaged? This is the perfect part to get it back in working order. This high-transparency UV protective lens ensures your photos and videos remain unaffected. It's designed to maintain the original imaging quality. Replacing the lens cover is a breeze. You can easily install it yourself without needing any special tools. This is a brand new, flat glass lens cover. It comes well packaged in a hard box to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Your purchase includes one replacement protective lens cover. Get your camera's lens protected and ready for your next adventure. What we like. This is a straightforward replacement for a damaged or scratched lens cover. It's made of high-transparency glass that won't affect image quality and is simple to install without any tools. If your original lens cover is damaged and you need a quick, no fuss fix to restore clarity, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The GoPro Hero 7 Black has excellent video stabilization, making footage smooth even during intense activity. Its waterproof design allows for underwater shooting without a separate housing, which is a significant advantage for water sports enthusiasts. The hyper-smooth stabilization is a standout feature, producing gimbal-like results in challenging conditions. Number 2. GoPro Hero 765 Black Replacement Lens Cover. Introducing a replacement lens cover designed for your GoPro Hero 7, 6, and 5 Black. It offers superior clarity and protection for your adventures. Crafted from high-clarity glass with a hydrophobic layer, it resists water marks and scratches. Enjoy sharp, clear images both above and below water. Don't worry about water damage. This replacement maintains your camera's original 10-meter waterproof rating, so you can dive in with confidence. Restore your camera's lens quality easily. Its direct replacement design allows for quick, tool-free installation, saving you time and hassle. Replace your scratched or damaged lens cover without needing a new camera. Get back to capturing stunning footage with this essential part. What we like. This replacement lens cover features a hydrophobic coating to repel water and resist smudges, ensuring clear shots both above and below water. It also maintains your camera's waterproof capabilities and offers excellent scratch resistance. If you frequently shoot in wet conditions or want to ensure pristine image quality with added durability, this cover is a must-have. What people say. The GoPro Hero 7 Black has a built-in stabilization system that makes footage incredibly smooth, even when running or in shaky conditions. It features a 2-inch touchscreen display that is responsive and makes it easy to navigate menus and frame shots. The camera can record video in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, offering excellent detail and clarity. Number 1. ND32 Filter for GoPro Hero 765 Black. Capture stunning, true-to-life footage with our premium optical glass filters. They help you precisely control light, unlocking new levels of creative expression. Experience exceptional durability with our 30-layer nano coating. It effectively reduces lens flare and ghosting, while offering superior resistance to scratches, water, and oil. Take full control of your camera's exposure settings. These filters reduce the amount of light entering the sensor, allowing you to achieve perfect shots in any lighting condition, from cloudy to bright sunny days. Our ultra-thin design ensures no dark corners in your shots, preserving true colors and perfect picture details. Enjoy vibrant and accurate image performance every time. Engineered specifically for your GoPro Hero 7, 6, and 5 Black cameras. It comes with a protective storage bag and lens cloth, keeping it safe and ready for your next adventure. What we like. This ND filter is crafted from high-quality Japanese AGC optical glass with a multi-layer coating to minimize flare and ghosting. It effectively reduces light to give you more control over exposure, especially in bright conditions. If you're a photographer or videographer who needs to achieve specific creative effects like longer exposures or control depth of field in bright sunlight, this filter is essential. What people say. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is a fantastic action camera that captures stunning video quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. Its hyper-smooth stabilization is incredibly effective, making shaky footage a thing of the past. You can get really smooth shots while running or biking. The waterproof design means you don't need a separate housing for underwater adventures, and it's durable enough to withstand drops and bumps. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.